हेलो बच्चों, वेलकम टू माय चैनल किड्स ट्यूटोरियल। आज हम सीखेंगे वाटर ट्रांसपोर्ट। वीडियो जरूर लाइक कीजिए और सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिए। दिस इज क्रूज शिप। दिस इज बोट। दिस इज सबमराइन। दिस इज pirate ship. This is raft. This is houseboat. This is jet scooter. This is LPG carrier. This is windsurfer. This is seaplane. This is sailboat. This is canoe. This is raft boat. This is tugboat. This is tramp fighter. This is ro-ro ship. This is warship. This is oil tanker. This is container vessel. This is cargo ship. This is battleship. This is speedboat. This is steamboat. This is ferry. This is hovercraft. This is liner. This is yacht. This is bulk carrier. Thank you.